Hi, my name is Sherwood, and I am going to explain a math center that I created. I created it for kindergarten, and it addresses standard KG B5, which is Model Shapes in the World by Building Shapes from Components and Drawing Shapes. This math center is going to be about 20 minutes in length, and I created it for 4 students. What the students will do when they first get to the center is they will use these papers, and I've created 4 of them, one for each student. So they'll each get one of these, and then also they will each get a dry erase marker and an eraser. Since I don't have dry erase erasers, this works just as good. And so what the students are going to do, I have some shapes on here. The shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, and diamond. And the students are just going to practice drawing around the shapes. So for example, they want to draw around the triangle like that. And it doesn't matter which shape they start with, as long as they just practice drawing around each one of those. And they can erase and do it several times to kind of get familiar with the shapes. And then after that, they're going to set that to the side. And then I also made some shapes for them. And they're the exact same shapes: the triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, and diamond. And then I have 4 baggies put together with popsicle sticks in them. Inside here, I have long popsicle sticks, and I also have some short ones too. And what they're going to do is they're going to share the shapes, because I made 2 sets of them, but they'll share the shapes, so they'll just find whichever shape they want to do. For example, let's say they do the diamond, so they're going to lay it down in front of them, and then they're just going to use their popsicle sticks to build that shape just on top of it at the edge. So they're going to do that. And then when they get done, they can clear that off and then exchange their shape for another shape. Let's say the next shape is a rectangle. Well, for the rectangle, they're going to need 2 long popsicle sticks, but they're also going to need the shorter ones to do the sides. So that's why there's some shorter ones in here. And then once they have done all of the shapes, with the popsicle sticks, then I'm going to have them look at this for the shapes, and they're going to decide which shape they want to start out with. And for example, let's just say they started off with the square. And so what they're going to do is, without using any shapes and just using their popsicle sticks, they're going to try to create that shape on their own without like laying it on top of these or anything. So they're going to look at the square and see what it looks like and try to build it. So for example, they'll just build a square with their popsicle stick. And then once they've done that, then they can move on to another shape. And that is about it. That wraps it up for my math center. Thank you.